What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to link your Spotify account to TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Music, then select Add to Music app. Choose Spotify, then tap Agree to connect your Spotify account. Once it's linked, open any TikTok video with a song you like. Tap the sound at the bottom of the screen, then select Add to Spotify to save the song. You can find your saved songs later by opening Spotify and checking your liked songs or library. And that's it. That's how you can link Spotify to your TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.